Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video where I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, this was a long-term activity record which indicated that buyers were clearly in control, and the volume was also higher, 66.4 lakhs, and value area price placement was towards the higher side. So, whenever it is up with a higher volume and a higher value area, it indicates that trend is strong. So, buyers are in control. So this was the kind of a day. It was a neutral day. So you can see market exactly opened inside the previous day value area. So whenever market opened inside previous day value area, we need to expect for a normal day. It won't be a trending day. It opened a gap down due to the Asian market. Everything were weak in opening. So market was gap down. So our view was bullish and market open gap down. So how the market will be behaving is the next question. So since last day buyers have took position, whenever it gap downs, they will expect for a move to high to take a profit. Or if the sellers are strong, all the stop loss will hit and market will move violently down. But that was not the case. Initial candle was itself green, so it indicated that it was a news-based opening. So we need to expect that it can reverse. So when it can reverse, that is the next question. So here, one more confluence we are taking, that is to identify the trend, we are drawing higher high and higher low. So on a 4 hour as well as on 1 hour and 2 hour 30 minutes, everything when we draw, it is a bullish because higher high formation was shown. Sorry, here I have written higher low, it is higher high, and this is the higher low. So that kind of a formation was there. And these two are the area of interest. That is where support was taken inside that higher low and higher high. So these point will act as a support. And this red line is the POCs inside that area of interest. And this is also a POC which is coming inside the area of interest. So how the market is behaving at that point, that is what we need to view. So whenever a trade has to be successful, there should be many confluences. So these are the some of the confluences which I took. So it was a higher high, a higher low formation that indicates that trend is bullish. Second is that our long-term activity record also indicated bullishness. Third is that it was opened inside previous day value area. So it is a non-trend day. So it cannot be a downward trend as it opened in a gap down and it came down. We don't expect to be a great trending day. It need to take a support and go up. So our view is where to take the trade. So next case is it took a support at the area of interest as well as exactly at the second POC. So that itself indicated that it is going to reverse. So next candle, it was a green candle. And after that, it formed a morning star kind of a formation. So you can see after that, it took a retracement. So there we can take an entry at that level. So I also took an entry. I kept the stop loss below that area of interest and kept a target till that lower week. So it was easily achieved. And why I kept it? There can be because we don't expect for a highly trending day. It should close somewhat inside. So that there will be a support because that was a great support. It has taken on the last day. So my view was exactly correct and I was in profitable. So last 3 days I'm able to catch 100-point move. So that has increased my confidence. And so in order to be disciplined, I'm trying to look for one challenge. So next day onwards, I'll be looking for making 10,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. So we'll see how it is being moved. This is a calculation which I have made. I'll be looking for a price at around 133 because we are investing around 10,000. We can get a strike price of 133. So one lot I'll be purchasing. So I'll be aiming for 100 points. So since the delta is 0.5, we'll be getting only 50 points. So like that, if we see we'll get a profit of around 3,750. So it can multiply like that, and within 8 days we'll be able to take that challenge. But there can be losing streaks in between. So this is the case where I've taken all the days as profitable. So this 8 days can vary to maybe 30 days, 20 days, depending on our trading. So we'll like that we'll be able to identify how much success rate is there in our strategy. So we'll see that and we'll take that challenge in a disciplined way. So that's it from my side. Thank you.